This is my Vitus Nucleus 27 VR. It's a trail hardtail mountain bike. I have got it in the red colour with silver sparkles in to make it extra cool. So this bike comes stock with a chain protector, as you can see. It also has Shimano Altus rear derailleur and gears, and then it has a micro shift 2-speed front derailleur, which it's also got an SR Suntour crankset and some normal plastic pedals that come with it. It comes stock with a nuke-proof seat and seat post, which is quite comfy. And then for the rear tyre and wheel, it's got WTB Trail Boss tyres, which are 2.3s. And then for the front tyre, it's WTB Vigilantes, which are also 2.3s. And finally, for the brakes, it has Tektro hydraulic disc brakes, front and rear. And it also has quick release on front and rear. And finally, for the fork, we have an SR Suntour XCR fork with 120mm of travel.